Welcome to another Boats to Go showcase where we're excited to present you another exceptional inflatable boat from our lineup. Now, introducing here is our most popular model, the 12-foot long SD365 in this beautiful red vibrant color. The Saturn SD365 has earned its status as our best-selling model, thanks in part to its well-positioned price and outstanding features. Wider and longer, and more popular than our 11-foot SD330, the SD365 accommodates up to 30 horsepower outboard motors compared to the maximum 15 horsepower that we have for the SD330. Some of the Saturn boat features include all-around splash guard with grab bar, 3 separate internal air chambers, one-way drain at the transom, all-around durable rubber strake, safety valve to prevent overinflation, stainless steel D-rings for easy towing, reliable flat air valves with push-pin design, front bow D-ring with internal lifting handle, spare rope for attaching anchor is included, double layer of fabric at the bottom of the tubes, high pressure drop stitch airflow is included, holds up to 5-person maximum or 4 comfortably, deep inflatable V-keel with a rub strake protector, 24mm thick heavy-duty marine-grade plywood transom, extremely rigid lightweight hull for excellent performance, lightweight and strong removable aluminum seat benches. Free second bench is included when orders placed online. And for the equipment, we have the aluminum oars, hand pump, repair kit, seat bench, and the carry gun.